Hi, I have major news that could change the way you study. Google is now offering the full Google One AI Pro plan for university students for free for full 1 year. Do you know what that is worth? In Nigeria, that is saving of over 340,000 naira. This is the key to unlocking Google's most powerful AI, and I'm going to walk you through how to check if you're eligible, and then the most exciting part, what you can do with it. So first, how do you get it? It's a straightforward process. This offer is for students in eligible universities. The list of countries and schools is expanding, so the best thing to do is to check for yourself. So first and foremost, you open your browser and go to the official Google One website. Look for the Google AI Pro student plan. The system will ask you to verify your status as an active student. You will do this using a service called Share ID. And the fourth option, you will need to provide details like your university name and your official university email address. Follow the steps, and if your school is eligible, which I'm sure it will, you'll be approved immediately. It is that simple. Once you are in, you get the entire premium AI package, which also comes with a 2 terabyte storage. That's the icing on the cake. So what are you actually getting? This is where it gets good. So first, you are no longer using the standard free Gemini. You get access to Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is Google's most advanced and powerful AI model. It is better at complex reasoning. It is a fantastic creative partner, and it can understand much longer and more complex information. But the plan is much more than just a chatbot. Let's break down the tools that will change your student life. The first and most important tool for any student now is NotebookLM. Think about it. Regular AI knows knows about the whole internet, but it hasn't read your lecture note. It doesn't know your professor. And this is where NotebookLM fixes this. You upload your study materials, your lecture slide, your course textbooks, your PDF, your saved research article, website. NotebookLM then becomes an expert only on the information you gave it. You can ask, what did my lecturer say about the causes of the Civil War? And it will give you a summary based on your lecture slides, and it will even show you the citation right from your own notes. It's a research assistant that is grounded in your truth. Next, you get to create gems. A gem is your own custom built version of Gemini. You give it a name, a personality, and a specific job. For example, you can create a gem called Learning Coach. You'd instruct it, you're a friendly tutor. When I ask a question, never give me the answer directly. Instead, ask me guiding questions to help me figure it out myself. This is perfect for truly learning a concept, not just copying an answer. Or you can create a study guide gem. You will tell it, I'm going to upload my syllabus. When I give you a topic, your job is to create a one-page summary, 10 key vocabulary words, and 5 practice quiz questions. You have just automated your examination preparation. This plan puts Gemini AI right inside Google Workspace apps you already use every day: Google Doc, Google Slide, Google Sheets. Let's look at Google Doc, for example. You are staring at a blank page for your 20-page essay. Now, you can just type at Gemini and say, help me write an introduction to the essay on the economic impact of renewable energy in West Africa. It will give you a draft to get started, or you can highlight your entire essay and ask it to proofread this for tone and clarity, or summarize this in 300 words. Let's go to Google Slide. This is a lifesaver. You have a research in Google Doc. You cannot go to Slide and type, create a 10-slide presentation based on my final year project document. Gemini will read the document, create the slides, add titles, format the text, and even generate images for you. A task that took hours or even seconds to do. And even in Gemini now, you can generate slides, from your prompt, and you can also generate slides from your existing document in Gemini. I forgot to mention that earlier. For students in business, finance, or the sciences, Google Sheets You have a massive spreadsheet of data. You cannot use Gemini side panel in Google Sheet to ask questions in plain English like analyze the data and tell me the three biggest trends, or create a bar chart showing the sales for quarter 3. You know, it's like having a data analyst built in. So this 1 year free plan gives you access to the top tier Gemini 2.5 Pro, the incredible NotebookLM for grounded research, and the power to build your own study guide gems, and AI assistant built right into your favorite Google Workspace apps. This is a massive opportunity to save time on busy work and focus on actually learning. So my advice now is go to Google One website right now. Check if your university is eligible, and if it is, get this plan. It's a total game changer for your education. I'm Baba Tokwe. I'm from Rwanda Tech, and I dish out some of this content on weekly basis. Make sure you follow, share, comment. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.